Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video, and welcome back into Max TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make 125 USD by doing affiliate marketing. 125 USD per sale you made. You make a sale, you make a single sale, and you can be able to make 125 USD. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, also that is where we all need to understand how will I be getting the money, what amount will I be getting, what amount of commission do I be going to get, what is the minimum withdrawal, and also when will I be getting this amount. So in this video I'm going to show you also one way or one of the platform that you can be using, one of the affiliate marketing that you can be using, and also be able to earn 125 also USD per sale you made. So remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to our friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So you can come into your browser and also type Cloudways Affiliate. Once you type Cloudways Affiliate, that is where we're going to be also seeing this platform we're going to be using. It is called Cloudways also, and the Cloudways it's a web hosting affiliate program. It's also cloud services affiliate program, which means we'll be referring people to the cloud services and also be able to earn money. So you can see now here there is cloudway.com or Cloudway platform. So this is the one also you have to use to be able also to earn 125 USD per sale you are going to be making. So what you are going to be doing, you need to come and open this platform, which is Cloudway, cloudways.com, and you can see they are displaying it here that you can be able to earn up to 125 USD per sale you made. Let's try to open this platform and see how we're going to be making this amount of money. So once I open the platform, that is where I'm going to be also getting to the platform itself. As you can see, it's a Cloudways web hosting affiliate program, which means you can be able to earn this amount by also selling these cloud services. And also what you want to be doing this here, if I scroll down and go to the bottom and try to calculate how I'm going to be able to earn this amount of money, that is, you can see here I have 50 USD per sale, which means from a single person, from the single person you referred or the customer referred to come and purchase these services, you're going to be making 50 USD per sale, which is also a lot of money, because 50 USD per sale, which is a fixed, is also very thing that, or very important thing that you can be benefiting from. And also if you go beyond 5, you're going to be getting 75 USD per sale you already made. So if you go up and also move beyond 10, let's see, beyond 15. So if you move beyond 20, also beyond 20, from 21, and also starting from 21, that's why you're going to be earning 100 USD per sale you already made, which means from the sales, if you have 21 customers, the number of customers which are to go to 21, we're going to be earning a commission of 100 USD per sale. So if also you go above, if you go above and reach to 100, let's see how many customers we need. So if you go also and reach to 80, and also it's not 80, but also if we scroll down, we can see we are still on to in 100. But if we reach to 45, 44, 40, 40, 45, let's see, 45, yes, from 45 up to, from 45 and above, also I'm going to be earning. From 46 and above, we're going to be earning also 125 USD per sale you are already going to be making, which means you can be able to earn from 50 clients, you are going to be able to earn 6,250 USD also, which is also a total estimated earnings. Also, this will be if you are able to earn this amount. But no matter how, if you can be able to earn one, also to do one, or to make one new customer who are going to be coming to purchase these services, that is also we are going to be earning 50 USD per person, which is not bad, because for example, if you have three, you're going to be making 150 USD. Even if it is a month, you can be earning it a month. If it is within a week, you can be making them within a week. Also, if you can be making those customers a day, also that is all about you, and you want to be benefiting from this, because you can be able to make that amount of money once a day as well, or can be continuously doing this wherever you want. So now let's explore further details about this. You can see there's a content creator, digital agencies, the teacher trainings. So these are the services now that we're going to be also doing. And also here they are telling you why Cloudware is a free program, and they are telling you how they are unique. Depends also different from other hosting companies. Here is what they say: 30 days. And also what I forgot to tell you is that here they keep the cookies period of 90 days. So if they keep the cookies period of 90 days, that means if you have referred someone already within the last 3 months, that is where we're going to be still tracking the progress. That means you can be able to still earn from that person. So this will also keep your information in your history, so that you'll be able to earn that commission. Depends on also the period of 90 also days. Here is different, because as you can see, other companies are having 60 days. And also here the uniqueness that they have multiple payment options that you can be using it to pay out for payout, or using to withdraw your money. So let's see the product also they are selling, and the product will be also earning. And also you can see they have lifetime commissions, where you can be getting a recurring commission model, which also will be helping you to keep earning money from the affiliate you have already made. So you can see they have total top partner earnings of above 80k USD. And also you can see the affiliate support of 95%, and also you can see industry best churn rates, which is also 3%. So now if you go at the top, you can also try to be becoming an affiliate. If you want to be signing up, you have to click here and also become an affiliate. And also this is where you can be starting filling up the form and filling out the informations. And also once you are done filling the information, that is also where you can start creating the link also, and start making money as well. You can see you start for free, because it's going to be 3-day trial, no credit card required, subject to Cash Pro. So this is for the services. And also if you're going to be becoming an affiliate, of course you're going to be signing up, and also you get started creating the links. And also here are the steps you can follow. So you sign up for Cloudware's account and feed the required details as well of your affiliate panel to access your affiliate panel. Then you create affiliate links using the promotional banners they will also give to you. Then also you can get high paying commissions based on the efforts you put into your chosen affiliate plan. So you can choose to become an affiliate here. Also you can press there at the top here. Everything is gonna be working. If you click on the calculate option, that is where you can come back to the bottom or way. Also if you click here, you can be seeing other various details that you can be also using. So here is lifetime commissions. You can be leading more here. USD 13 per sale plus 7% lifetime commission for steady income for a time. So it's up to you to choose, and also go with this affiliate. So now let's see. Now the affiliate is here is an affiliate. If you click there on the menu options at the right or the top right their platforms, you can be getting to see various features. That is why you can be getting the affiliate services, and also you can be getting also to see how the services will be promoting, how they are costing. You can see they have different services here. So you can be also you see dedicated firewall, cloud, frame, internet, enterprise, CDNs, automated backups. So if you want services as well, if you want to add everything, cloud services, that is going to be helping you to do it on this platform as well. So by signing up also on the platform here, that is where you are going to be starting also to become an affiliate. If you place there and also again you come back to an affiliate link, that is where you can be going to the affiliate. Here you can see affiliate, you see, yes, up to you to choose. If let's now try to explore the product, if I click there and also go to the product as well, that is where you can be getting to the product and also start exploring which one you are going to be promoting. The first thing is that once you sign up, you want to be also making creating the affiliate links which you can be sharing and also be able to make money. So thank you for watching this video. Also now this video is sharing you one of the top affiliate networks or program that can pay you 100 to up to 125 USD per sale you made. And also through watching this video, you can be learning a lot. So we will be also coming back and showing you how you can be even money sharing affiliate links without having even a website, which is also very great. How can be creating banners, sharing them on social media and others. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to our friends, and hit the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.